దేశంలోని అత్యున్నత వైద్య ప్రమాణాలకు చిరునామాగా నిలిచే ఢిల్లీ ఎయిమ్స్ స్థాయిలో బీబీ నగర్లోని అఖిల భారత వైద్య విజ్ఞాన సంస్థను తీర్చిదిద్దడమే తన లక్ష్యమని డైరెక్టర్ వికాస్ భాటియా స్పష్టం చేశారు. 8 ఏళ్లుగా భువనేశ్వర్ ఎయిమ్స్ డీన్గా పనిచేస్తున్న ఆయనను బీబీ నగర్ ఎయిమ్స్ పూర్తికాలపు తొలి డైరెక్టర్గా కేంద్ర వైద్యారోగ్య శాఖ నియమించింది. 5 ఏళ్లలో వైద్యుల కార్ఖానాగా ఎయిమ్స్ను తీర్చిదిద్ది ప్రభుత్వ ఆధ్వర్యంలోనే ప్రజలకు కార్పొరేట్ వైద్యం అందిస్తామంటున్న వికాస్ భాటియాతో మా ప్రతినిధి జయప్రకాష్ ముఖాముఖి.
రాష్ట్రానికి తలమానికంగా నిలిచేలా అఖిల భారత వైద్య విజ్ఞాన సంస్థ ఎయిమ్స్ రూపుదిద్దుకుంటుంది. యాదాద్రి భువనగిరి జిల్లా బీబీ నగర్లో ఈ ఏర్పాటైన ఎయిమ్స్లో పూర్తికాలపు డైరెక్టర్గా వికాస్ భాటియా నియమితులయ్యారు. ఆయన బాధ్యతలు కూడా చేపట్టారు. అయితే ఇప్పటి వరకు ఎలాంటి చర్యలు తీసుకున్నారు, ఈ బీబీ నగర్ ఎయిమ్స్కి సంబంధించి ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ ఏ విధంగా ఉందని మాట్లాడేందుకు మనతో ఉన్నారు. నమస్తే జీ. వెన్ విల్ యూ స్టార్ట్ ద ఓపీ సర్వీసెస్ విచ్ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డిపార్ట్మెంట్స్ రెండర్ సర్వీసెస్ టు ద పీపుల్?
I came here on few days back on 8th May, and I have reviewed and with the meeting had with the faculty members and visited the hospital area, also OPD area, and we are waiting for the directions from the government also. We are planning to start OPD services very soon. So some of the items which we need to procure, because of the lockdown we are not able to procure, we are waiting. We have initiated the process, so as early as possible our doctors are ready, and we hopefully should be able to start very, very soon. And at the moment our students, the first batch has already joined. Our teaching program is going on despite the lockdown. So we are teaching on various using the technology. Every day our faculty members are taking classes. I have also reviewed today itself. For the first time I also talked to the students. I have conveyed them my message that they need not worry, and as soon as the government of India allows them to come back, or the necessary instructions are issued for the classes to start. So we have a plan for that, and in coming years we should be able to start all those courses in AIIMS BB Nagar.
What is the status of proposed buildings and constructions?
I discussed with the agency which has been hired by the government of India. I have discussed with them. The plan is already, they have shown me the plan. So we have got these 3 blocks here. The moment we are going to have the academic program classes in A block and B block, and OPD will be starting in the B block. Some allocation of the areas have been done. So in the C block we will later on will start some of the indoor facilities. So yesterday I saw the map. So there is a plan for many more expansion. More land has been given by the government of Telangana. So various buildings will also come up.
What are your priorities as a director?
As a AIIMS New Delhi, which is our best institution in the country, we want to see that how best we can achieve, how close we can reach to that. Before coming here, I was working in AIIMS Bhubaneswar for 8 years, and the priorities which were kept over there as a institute of national importance will also be very much similar to that, those priorities. In addition to that, we will also see the requirement of the people of the Telangana, the disease burden, and now because of the corona, we also see how best we can develop. So those priorities include having good academics, which I mentioned, all the courses, so that we have our country becomes self-sufficient in the medical care, which seems to be a lot more important now, particularly during the pandemic period. Then we also have to have a very good hospital which provide all the specialties and super specialties, which I feel if all of them become functional in coming years, we should be able to serve the people of Telangana in the best way.
Would you brief us about the infrastructure being provided by the students, latest students and next coming students?
Yes, we reviewed it. The rooms are available, hostels are available, and we have the rooms for them also. Furniture has been for the next batch. Usually, the full batch is of 100 students because we are new. So in the beginning, we are having 50, and with some more students, we'll be having say 73 possibly coming year. For the first year students who are already here, the second year teaching is required, which is in microbiology, pharmacology, forensic medicine, pathology, and also in some clinical subjects and community medicine. So we have faculty in some of the departments, and we have also initiated the process of recruitment of faculty, and we are going to come out with more recruitment of senior students. The classrooms are available, and as soon as we are able to procure more equipments, we are working on that. So by the time they come, all those facilities will be ready, hostel will be ready, and so they should be able to stay here comfortably.
Being a prestigious institution, what are the providing health services to the general public?
लोगों के लिए सबसे अच्छी बात यह है कि ये एक भारत सरकार का बहुत प्रेस्टिजियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इंस्टीट्यूट है, जिसके अंदर गरीब से गरीब आदमी उसको भी बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी का इलाज मिलता है. ये मैं आपको कह सकता हूँ क्योंकि मैंने वहाँ पे खुद देखा, अभी डेवलप हुआ है. बहुत खूबसूरत हॉस्पिटल बन जाता है, अच्छा बन जाता है. सारे डॉक्टर्स जो हम लोग सेलेक्ट करेंगे बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी के, बहुत अच्छे ट्रेंड होंगे, सारे इंडिया से आएंगे और यहाँ से भी होंगे. सो दे शुड बी एबल टू सर्व द पीपल ऑफ तेलंगाना, और लोगों को सब तरह के ऑपरेशन, सब तरह का इलाज यहाँ पे अवेलेबल होगा. तो इसलिए ये एक जो इंस्टीट्यूट जब पूरी तरह से डेवलप हो जाएगा तो लोगों के पास में एक अच्छा इंस्टीट्यूट हो जिसमें लगभग फ्री ट्रीटमेंट होता है. वी होप दिस इज़ व्हाट वी प्लान, और मुझे उम्मीद है कि our team, our doctors, our nurses and our technicians and everybody will support us in developing this institute.
What is the contribution of COVID cases? How to rescue common people in the pandemic?
कोरोना की कोविड की एक समस्या पूरे विश्व में है, और ये समस्या तो अभी बढ़ रही है, और लेकिन जो प्रिकॉशंस लेने हैं, अगर हम सब इस चीज़ को प्रिकॉशंस को लेंगे तो हम अपने को बचा सकते हैं. कुछ चीज़ें हमने सबने करनी है, जैसे मास्क है, ये ज़रूर लगाने हैं और सबने लगाने हैं, और हाथ जो है वो उसको दिन में बार बार धोना है. हैंड वॉशिंग की हम लोग अपनी वेबसाइट बना रहे हैं बीबी नगर की, उसमें कोविड के ऊपर भी एक अलग से एक सेक्शन रखेंगे शुरू सबसे टॉप पे. उसके अंदर हम अपने वीडियोस की और प्लानिंग भी उसमें बताएंगे, लगाएंगे. तो हैंड वॉशिंग ज़रूरी है, करते रहें. दूर से हमारा जो कल्चर है देश का नमस्कार करने का, मुझे लगता है आज सारी दुनिया में इस चीज़ को लोग अप्रिशिएट करते हैं. इंडिया में मोर्टेलिटी जो है, डेथ रेट, वो कम है, तो हम लोग अपने प्रिकॉशंस लें, इसलिए घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, और धीरे धीरे हमें अपनी लाइफ को जितना नज़दीक से, जितना पास में जा सकें, काम कर सकें, कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकें, अपने को बचाते हुए उतना हमने सपोर्ट करना है, उतना काम करना है.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. ఇవి ఎయిమ్స్ డైరెక్టర్ చెబుతున్న విశేషాలు. కెమెరామెన్ జనార్దన్తో జయప్రకాష్, ఈటీవీ న్యూస్, యాదాద్రి భువనగిరి జిల్లా.